Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to use Vanish mode on Instagram in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to use Vanish mode on Instagram? With Instagram's Vanish mode, you can have private chats that disappear after the recipient has read them. In this video, we'll take you through how to use Vanish mode on Instagram to have conversations that leave absolutely no traces. Let's see how. Step 1, open your Instagram app and click on the chat icon. Step 2, select an existing message or create a new message thread, then scroll to the bottom of your chat. Step 3, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and release your finger to activate Vanish mode. Step 4, once it is activated, and you're in light mode, Instagram will go into dark mode, and some shushing emojis will fall from the top of your screen to signal that you are in Vanish mode. If you're already in dark mode, you'll only see a "you turned on Vanish mode" message at the top of the chat to indicate the change. How to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram? To close the Vanish mode feature, follow these steps. Open a chat where you have enabled Vanish mode. Swipe up from the bottom side of your screen again, and hold your screen until you see release to turn off Vanish mode. Swipe all the way up, and Vanish mode will be disabled. So, this is all about how to use Vanish mode on Instagram. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.